Okay, we are going to do interquartile range. Now, interquartile range is where we take the data, take all the data and basically divide it into 4 bits. Um, so you've got the median, which is in the middle, and then you take that bottom half, you cut it into half, so you find the median of the lower half, and then you do the same with the top half of data. So you're finding what we call Q1, Q3 are the interquartiles, and we use them to find the range. All right. So let's have a look at this particular one. Now you'll notice that this data is the same as the one we had before. So we're going to divide this into 2 equal groups. Now what they've done is they've got them in numerical order. So our first group goes from 3 to 38, and our second group goes from 40 to 95. So that's sort of our upper and lower halves. And then we find the middle of each of those. So we find the middle one. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 scores in total in each half. So that means that's the middle of the little one. So that will be our Q1, and that is going to be Q3. So they are the interquartiles. So for task A, let's spell task correctly. So for task A, Q1 equals 22, Q3 equals 46. So the interquartile range, or IQR, is just Q3 minus Q1, which is 46 minus 22, which gives our interquartile range as being 24. Now we do exactly the same with task B. I'll just write that down. Task B, Q1, top half there, that's going to be our Q1, which is 31, and that's going to be our Q3, because they're exactly the same amounts of data, and so everything's written in the same position, which makes nice and easy. And then we find out IQR for that one, an interquartile range, 72 minus 31, which gives you a grand total of 41. So what does this tell us? What does this interquartile range tell us? Well, what it gives us is a bit of an idea. It's not perfect, but it gives us a bit of an idea of the consistency of the data within the set. So task A has an interquartile range of 24. Task B, interquartile range of 41. Task A is more consistent. Consistent because its IQR is lower. So what that means is more and more scores are close together in value. Okay, the higher the interquartile range means the bigger space between those two, and that indicates less consistency. So it's not a perfect interpretation, but it is relatively accurate.